Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What is data governance? Data governance is the process of managing the availability, usability, integrity, and security of the data used in an organization. It involves defining policies, procedures, and standards for data management and ensuring that these are followed consistently across the organization. Data classification involves identifying the different types of data used in the organization, such as sensitive or confidential data, and determining how they should be managed and protected. Data ownership involves assigning responsibility for managing and maintaining the data to specific individuals or departments within the organization. Data lineage involves tracking the origin and movement of the data throughout the organization to ensure its accuracy and integrity. Data governance is essential for ensuring that an organization's data is accurate, consistent, and secure, and that it can be used effectively to support decision-making processes. It involves collaboration and coordination between different departments and stakeholders within the organization and requires ongoing monitoring and evaluation to ensure that it remains effective and relevant over time. What is data quality? Data quality refers to the accuracy, completeness, consistency, relevance, and timeliness of the data used in an organization. It is a measure of the extent to which the data is fit for its intended purpose and reflects the degree to which it can be relied upon to support decision-making processes. Good data quality is essential for effective decision-making, as decisions based on inaccurate, incomplete, or inconsistent data can lead to costly errors and mistakes. Poor data quality can also result in a loss of trust in the data and the systems used to manage it, which can impact the organization's reputation and credibility. To ensure good data quality, organizations need to establish processes and procedures for data management, including data entry, data storage, data processing, and data analysis. These processes should be designed to ensure that data is entered accurately, validated for completeness and consistency, and maintained and updated over time. Data quality can be measured using a variety of metrics, such as completeness, accuracy, consistency, and timeliness. Data quality metrics can be used to identify areas where data quality is lacking and to guide efforts to improve it. In summary, data quality is a critical aspect of data management, and organizations should take steps to ensure that their data is accurate, complete, consistent, relevant, and timely in order to support effective decision-making and achieve their business goals. What is data profiling? Data profiling is the process of examining and analyzing data from various sources to gain a better understanding of its structure, content, and quality. The objective of data profiling is to assess the quality of the data and identify any issues or anomalies that may affect its accuracy, completeness, consistency, or reliability. Data profiling typically involves collecting metadata about the data, such as its type, format, size, and distribution, as well as statistical information, such as the frequency of occurrence of different values and patterns. This information can be used to identify potential data quality issues, such as missing or incomplete data, outliers, duplicate data, inconsistent data, or data that is not in the expected format or range. Data profiling can be used for a variety of purposes, such as data migration, data integration, data quality assessment, and data governance. It can also help to identify opportunities for data cleaning, standardization, or enrichment, which can improve the quality and usefulness of the data. What is data normalization? Data normalization is a process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. The goal of data normalization is to eliminate data duplication and inconsistencies that can lead to data anomalies and errors in data analysis and reporting. Data normalization is typically carried out in a series of steps called normal forms. The most common normal forms are 1. First normal form, 1NF. Each table has a primary key, and each column contains only atomic values. 2. Second normal form, 2NF. Each non-key column is fully dependent on the primary key. 3. Third normal form, 3NF. Each non-key column is non-transitively dependent on the primary key. Higher levels of normalization, such as fourth normal form, 4NF, and fifth normal form, 5NF, are less commonly used but can provide further benefits in certain situations. Data normalization can help to improve the performance and scalability of databases, reduce data redundancy and inconsistency, and make it easier to maintain and update the data over time. However, it can also be a complex and time-consuming process and may require careful planning and design to ensure that the resulting database is efficient, effective, and easy to use. What is data enrichment? Data enrichment is the process of enhancing existing data with additional information from external sources. The goal of data enrichment is to improve the quality, accuracy, and completeness of the data, and to provide additional context and insights that can be used for analysis, decision-making, and other purposes. Data enrichment can involve adding new data fields to an existing dataset, filling in missing or incomplete data, correcting errors or inconsistencies, or appending additional information to existing records. Some common examples of data enrichment include: 1. Geocoding, adding latitude and longitude coordinates to an address to enable spatial analysis and visualization. 2. Demographic data, adding information about age, gender, income, education, or other characteristics of individuals or households to better understand consumer behavior or market trends. 3. Firmographic data, adding information about company size, industry, location, or other characteristics to better understand B2B customer behavior or market trends. 4. Social media data, adding information about social media activity, sentiment, or engagement to better understand consumer opinions, preferences, or behavior. Data enrichment can be performed using a variety of tools and techniques, including data scraping, web crawling, machine learning, and natural language processing. However, it is important to ensure that any external data sources used for data enrichment are reliable, accurate, and compliant with data privacy regulations. What is data integration? Data integration is the process of combining data from multiple sources into a single, unified view. The goal of data integration is to provide a complete and accurate picture of the data, regardless of its original source or format, to enable better decision-making, analysis, and reporting. Data integration can involve several steps, including data cleaning, data transformation, data mapping, and data consolidation. Some common techniques for data integration include: 1. ETL, extract, transform, load. This involves extracting data from source systems, transforming it to meet the requirements of the target system, and loading it into the target system. 2. ELT, extract, load, transform. This is similar to ETL, but involves loading data into the target system before transforming it. 3. Data virtualization. This involves creating a virtual layer that sits between the source systems and the target system, allowing data to be accessed and integrated in real time without physically moving. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.